Welcome to Crypto Kickstart. In today's video, we're diving deep into MEXC Exchange, one of the leading cryptocurrency trading platforms in the industry. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting your journey, MEXC Exchange offers a wide range of features that cater to all levels of expertise. MEXC Exchange stands out with its user-friendly interface, advanced trading tools, and an extensive selection of cryptocurrencies. With a variety of trading pairs and seamless transactions, you can easily navigate the crypto market and make informed decisions. One of the most notable benefits of using MEXC is its competitive trading fees, which can significantly enhance your trading experience. But that's not all. MEXC Exchange ensures that your funds are secure with robust security measures. This gives you peace of mind as you trade, knowing that your assets are protected against potential threats. Now, let's talk about how you can maximize your experience on MEXC Exchange. By using the referral code 12K4M5 when signing up, you unlock exclusive benefits that can enhance your trading journey. Taking advantage of this code not only provides you with special rewards, but also allows you to enjoy reduced trading fees for a limited time. So, why wait? Sign up for MEXC Exchange today, and don't forget to enter the referral code 12K4M5 to enjoy these fantastic perks. Start trading smarter and take your crypto investments to the next level. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more insights and tips to help you navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrencies here on Crypto Kickstart.